welcome back to another video. We are finally here with the 135 again. First time the 135 has been in the garage actually. We're gonna be taking the muffler off today. Did install the muffler at the BMW dealership I used to work at, but I do not have that dealership to work at anymore. So we're gonna be doing our work now in the garage. We just got a couple things laying around, my old carbon diffuser. We got my old 1M bumper, we're gonna be putting that back on soon. The mini bike, you guys know that. There's my quad tip exhaust. So we pretty much have everything in here. Here's the old muffler that was on it. As of right now, we currently have the stock 135 BMW muffler on there. We're gonna be taking that off and showing you guys what it sounds like without a muffler today. I'm definitely excited to hear it. I've never really heard this car without a muffler on it. It's always had something at the end of it to change that sound a little bit. So I'm hoping it's not too farty and doesn't sound like an Infinity when I turn it on. I'm here to find that out for you guys today. I just gotta get it on the jack. We're gonna do an oil change also while we're at it. And we'll get it on the road and we'll see what it sounds like. Well boys, there's one thing I'm not liking. The axle boot's gonna be right behind the exhaust. I don't know if it's gonna burn through it. And the brake lines are right behind it, so I don't know if it's gonna heat up that brake fluid super quick, but we're just gonna be taking it off for the day, I guess. We'll put something on, I guess, in a couple days. Maybe a turn down pipe or just something to come around so it's not blowing straight heat onto everything right there in the suspension. But what do I fucking know? I'm just gonna take it off, take it for a drive, and we'll see if anything happens. You can hear those turbos so well. Number one tip, if you're gonna take your muffler off, put something on the end of it, because this vibration is not it. Anytime I get about like 25% on the throttle, the whole car, like listen, all my change is just rattling over here, the GoPro's rattling. But see if it didn't vibrate, it does sound pretty good though. Yo, am I allowed to give her a little rem over here or not?
Not too much, because we've been getting complaints recent. Alright, bet.
So I don't know what's up with this car, but I swear to God, these cold starts are insane. This car gets so fucking loud, and then it just finally quiets down. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. It really does help me out. I'd love to be able to do content full time for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you who support the channel. Let's keep growing. Let's keep building. It's only up from here.